Hey guys, I wanted to do kind of like a quick tips video with my essential oils. A lot of the oils I have are doTERRA or YoungLiving just because I have a doTERRA account and my mom has a YoungLiving account. So I'm just starting off with doTERRA lemon oil in my garbage disposal and running the garbage disposal. It makes it smell really good, and it just, sometimes the garbage disposal smells gross, so the lemon oil helps. And I'm also putting some of that on my sponge because I know lemon oil is supposed to be disinfecting, so I just put it on my sponge and let it sit. I'm also putting it in this little microwave thing. I think it's like one of those as seen on TV things. It's called Angry Mama, I think. And you just put water, you can put vinegar in there too, and I didn't put vinegar in there, but you just put water in there and let it steam in your microwave, and you're supposed to clean out your microwave easier. So I put water in there, a couple drops of lemon oil, and put it in there for about 4 minutes. And then while that was in the microwave, I took some grapefruit oil on the counter that I use the most. So I use this counter all the time cutting meats and stuff like that, so it gets really gross. And I think grapefruit is also disinfecting, so just put that on the counter and wiped it down. And then this is a doTERRA diffuser, and my husband mixed these two oils together, and I have always mixed them together now because they smell so good. Anyway, I put filtered water in there because the water is kind of harsh, and then I use spearmint and eucalyptus oil and just mix them together, and it makes the kitchen smell so fresh. It takes out any onion smelling or garlic smelling in your kitchen. It's just, oh, I'm so glad he mixed those two. This little diffuser also has a light that you can turn on and off, but I usually like the light on. It also has timer settings, so I think 4 hours is about its maximum run time. So now that everything is all done in the microwave, I just carefully take out the Angry Mama and wipe down my microwave. I am just using a plain old microfiber cloth. This was the cloth I used on my counter also. So whatever grapefruit is left on there is getting into the microwave also. And it's just way easier to wipe it down because it's been steamed. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick tips on how I use essential oils in my kitchen. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. You can use any essential oil brand you want. I just have doTERRA because I have an account, and then I also have YoungLiving because my mom has an account. But I know they sell essential oils at Walmart, at Sprouts, natural grocery stores, I think Walgreens possibly, even Bed Bath & Beyond. So just use whatever you want or whatever is affordable for you or anything like that. So hopefully you guys find that helpful, and be sure to leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.